Is your Android phone suddenly closing apps by itself? Don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, I'll show you a super fast 2026 fix that can solve this problem in just a few minutes. Watch carefully and follow every step. First of all, open your phone's settings page. This is where you can control all system options and manage installed apps. Now scroll down and look for Apps or Applications Manager and tap on it. Inside this section, you will see a list of all installed apps on your device. At the top, use the search bar and type Android System WebView. This is an important system component that helps apps display web content properly. Tap on it to open its settings page. Now tap the three dots menu icon in the top corner of the screen. From the options, select Uninstall Updates and confirm it. This will reset WebView to its factory version, which often fixes crashing issues. After that, go back to the previous screen and scroll down to find storage. Tap on it, then select Clear Cache and also Clear Data if available. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be causing apps to close unexpectedly. Next, go back again and return to the app list. Open Google Play Store App Details or System Update section and make sure everything is fully updated. Install the latest updates available. Also restart your phone once after completing all steps. This helps the system refresh and apply all changes properly. After doing all these steps, your Android apps should stop closing automatically and run smoothly again. If the issue is still there, consider updating your Android system software. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow for more easy Android solutions like this.